You're stranded. It's negative 20 degrees Celsius. Your throat is parched, and you're surrounded by millions of gallons of water in the form of snow. Your instinct says, eat it. Don't. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you the deadly physics of why eating snow is actually the fastest way to dehydrate and potentially kill yourself in a survival situation. To understand the danger, we need to talk about latent heat. Physics 101. Snow isn't just cold water. It's a solid that requires a massive amount of energy to turn into a liquid. When you eat snow, your core body temperature, your internal furnace, has to do the work. It takes roughly 80 calories of heat energy to melt just 1 gram of ice. Your body is already fighting to stay alive at 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. By eating snow, you are forcing your heart and organs to divert energy away from keeping you warm just to melt that ice in your stomach. Here's the survival paradox. You're eating snow to stay hydrated, right? But the energy cost is so high that your metabolic rate spikes. This makes you sweat under your layers, and you lose more moisture through respiration and perspiration than you actually gain from the melted snow. You aren't hydrating, you're trading your life-saving body heat. Also, consider the structure. Snow is mostly air. To get 1 cup of water, you'd have to eat nearly 10 cups of snow. Imagine the thermal shock to your system. Plus, snow acts as a filter for atmospheric pollutants and bacteria. The proper physics hack: how to melt it safely. So, how do you survive? The prime seed: never put dry snow in a pot. It'll scorch and taste like burnt plastic. Always keep a little liquid water at the bottom to seed the melt. Solar power: use a black trash bag or dark tarp. Spread the snow thin and let the sun do the latent heat work for you. The body heat hack: if you have no fire, put snow in a waterproof bottle and keep it between your outer layers, not against your skin. Survival isn't about being tough. It's about understanding the physics of the environment. We just crossed 6.6K impressions on our last physics breakdown, and 400 of you are already learning the science of staying alive. If you're watching this on your TV or computer, hit that subscribe button. Let's master the physics of survival together. Stay warm, stay smart.